Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best inflatable spas that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium spa experience, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bestway Miami EnergySense AirJet Inflatable Hot Tub Spa. As the most affordable option on our list, this spa is perfect for anyone looking to get into the world of inflatable hot tubs without breaking the bank. With 120 air jets, it offers a soothing massage system that's ideal for relaxation after a long day. Plus, the EnergySense insulated cover makes it 40% more energy efficient, helping you save on your energy bills while keeping the water hot. This spa is built with durable, puncture-resistant DuraPlus material, ensuring that it retains its shape and stability even with repeated inflation and deflation. It's FreezeShield equipped, which prevents internal components from freezing during colder months, making it a great year-round option. However, it's important to note that the seating capacity maxes out at 4 people, and the user experience might feel cramped for larger groups. Overall, the Bestway Miami EnergySense is a solid pick for budget-conscious buyers seeking a compact, easy-to-use inflatable spa. While the digital control panel is user-friendly, it lacks app integration, which might be a downside for tech-savvy users. If affordability and simplicity are your priorities, this spa is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Bestway SaluSpa Barbuda UltraFit AirJet Inflatable Hot Tub Spa. This model combines affordability with a slightly larger size, making it ideal for small families or couples looking for a relaxing spa experience. The 120 AirJet massage system creates a bubbling environment that's perfect for unwinding. Unlike the Miami model, it features the UltraFit integrated pump system, which quickly inflates the spa and controls its settings right from the panel inside the tub. The Barbuda UltraFit's durable construction includes max-hold internal beams and a 3-layer DuraPlus outer layer, offering excellent stability and puncture resistance. Its lightweight portability makes it easy to set up anywhere you want. However, keep in mind that this model isn't available in certain states due to energy efficiency regulations, which might limit its availability for some buyers. The Barbuda UltraFit hits a sweet spot between affordability and functionality, but it doesn't offer smart app control or energy-efficient covers like some higher-end models. If you're looking for a reliable spa that's great for casual use and easy to set up, this one deserves your attention. Coming in at number 3 is the Bestway SaluSpa St. Lucia EnergySense AirJet Inflatable Hot Tub Spa. This model boasts 110 air jets with dual intensity settings, allowing users to customize their massage experience. Its standout feature is the Bestway Smart Hub app, which lets you control water temperature, filtration, and jet activation right from your smartphone. This modern convenience adds a level of tech-savvy sophistication not seen in the lower-ranked models. The St. Lucia is also built for durability, featuring puncture-resistant DuraPlus material that ensures its walls maintain their shape over time. Its EnergySense insulated cover increases energy efficiency by 40%, making it cost-effective for frequent use. However, with a seating capacity of just 2 to 3 people, it's best suited for couples or small households. FreezeShield technology provides protection against freezing components during winter months, extending its usability year-round. While it's slightly pricier than our budget options, the St. Lucia EnergySense delivers a compact, high-quality spa experience with smart controls and energy-saving features. If you're looking for an advanced yet small inflatable spa, this is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the WeJoy Portable Hot Tub. This premium model offers the ultimate spa experience for up to 6 people, making it perfect for large families or gatherings. With 130 surrounding air jets, it provides a full-body massage that targets your back, neck, and shoulders. The digital control panel allows you to adjust the temperature and jet flow without stepping out of the tub, adding to its convenience. The WeJoy Spa is built with puncture-resistant Tri-Tech material and I-beam construction, ensuring it maintains its shape even when the side walls are used for seating. Its rapid heating system warms water up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit quickly and efficiently, though it's important to note that this spa is not suitable for use in temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. With a water capacity of 910 liters and a stylish octagonal design, it's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the WeJoy portable hot tub delivers unmatched comfort, durability, and performance. If you're looking for a spacious, high-quality spa with advanced features, this is the one to splurge on. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.